Hello everyone, welcome to NextGen Teach class. In this video, I will explain formatted string and string slicing in Python. I will explain everything step by step with simple example. So let's start. First of all, what is formatted string? A formatted string is used to insert variable directly inside a string. In Python, we use f-string for formatted. We write f before the string. So let's do. We have here is I create two variable a and b. The value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. Then I add a and b and store the result in C. So let's see the output. Sorry. So we can see output is 30. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So here is we we can use of there is formatted string. Let's see how we can use. This is a formatted string. There is letter f allows us to put variables inside the string using curly braces. The value of a, b, c are automatically inserted. This is a character. It's print only a, and when we write in inside curly braces, then it gives value like 10. And b also is string. It only gives b, and inside curly braces, this b is give 20. Now c returns value. Now let's see output in terminal. It gives a equals to 10, b equals to 20, sum equals to 30. We can also do 10 plus 20 equals to 30. How we can do? Let's see. We can do. I said in curly braces a gives only value. This gives this a give to only 10. So 10 and this give 20. So 10 plus 20 equals to 10 plus 20 equals to 30. Now let's see. We can see here 10 plus 20 equals to 30. This is called formatted string. Now let's move to second. We have slicing string. In slicing string is used to extract a part of a string. Syntax. We have in syntax we can see string start, end, stop. This is the syntax of slicing string. We do first start, now end, now stop. Okay, let's do some program in about slicing. So here is we have some data. NextGen Teach class. We have some data we can see here. This is the string stored in a variable called data. Now if we need only teach value, then what do? We do print data. Now this is start. What is teach? N1, E2, X3, P4, G5, E6, N7. Now space 8. Now we write here 8. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we write -6. Now we can see here print data 8. This is syntax I already said, and -6. So it print teach. So let's see. Now we can see here it's print only teach. So 8. We can count here N1 E2 X3 D4 G5 E6 and 7 and 8. So after 8 we can see this only print after 8. So it prints after 6. So this is teach. We can see here it skips teach. Now when we want to print reverse string, then we have also we can write print data, and we have this double quote and -1. So it gives to reverse string. We can see all these are next gen teach class gives to reverse string. If so it gives to reverse string. Now if we want to skip every second character, then we do what we do? We do want to give 2. So it follows skip every second character. So let's see. It gives N after X after G after N after T after A, like this. So if we write here 3, then skip every third character. If we write 4, it skip every fourth character. So if we want to print only first 5 character, then what we do? We do only right here 5. So what is do? It do first 5 character. So what is first 5 character? N1 2 3 4 4 5. Okay, it gives only next G. So let's print at 6 7. We print here 7 character. So it gives only next gen. Let's see. Here is we can see next gen. So if you want to first something characters, then we can write after single dot and 7. If we don't need first 7 character, we only need after 7 character, then we write in like this. Then we can see it gives only teach class. It don't give us next gen. So this is the slicing string. So do not forget to add f before the string. Index always start from 0 in Python. Negative index starts from the end of the string. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand formatted string and slicing in Python. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.